Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my beautiful students, today we will take Better English Now, Unit 14, Lesson 4. But first of all, I need you to write this sentence in your notebook. Wood is used for making chairs and tables. So, wood is used for making chairs and tables, and you should write the day with the date, okay? First of all, we will start asking you some questions. For example, girls, what should you do to live a healthy life? We should eat healthy food. We should drink a lot of water. We should get up early. We should sleep early. We should not watch too much TV. Now, as I told you, today we will take Unit 14 Lesson 4 girls in our book Better English Now, okay? First of all, what can you see in this picture, girls? I can see feet. So, how many feet do you have? I have 2 feet. What is the singular from the word feet? The singular is foot. So, the singular is foot and the plural is feet, okay? Then you will write the word feet on the board between the lines. After that, girls, what can you see here? I can see shampoo and soap. These things are liquid. Liquid means in Arabic سائلة, مادة سائلة, okay? Liquid, L-I-Q-U-I-D. L-I-Q-U-I-D. Then you will write the word liquid in your notebook. Then, girls, the third word is inch. What do I mean by inch? Girls, inch, I-N-C-H-E, okay? Or let me say inches. Sorry, girls, let me say inches like this and inches like this, okay? Then you will write the word inch here. Then, girls, open your book, page 69. 69, please. What are you doing with all these books? Son, I'm reading about rubber. Look at this book. Father, it's not about rubber. Its name is black gold. Son, well, this is what people called rubber in the past. Father, but I thought rubber came from a tree and it was milky liquid. Son, that's right, but it becomes black after heating. Father, what does a rubber tree look like? Son, it is a big tree that grows 40 and 50 tall feet. It has dark, sorry girls, here we have dark. Here we have, it has dark leaves about 8 inches long. Okay, about what? About 8 inches long. Okay, so then, my beautiful students, you should answer the questions. We will answer just number 1 and 2. What was the boy doing? He was reading about rubber. What was rubber called many years ago? It was called black gold. So, rubber in the past was called black gold, girls. And number 1, what was the boy doing? He was reading about what? About rubber. And rubber was called in the past black gold. Okay? So, this is the end of my lesson today, my beautiful students. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye.